Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Ready to test your knowledge on fixing a leaky faucet? Let's dive into this quick quiz and see how handy you really are. Good luck, you got this. Let's test your DIY skills. Which tool is most commonly needed to tighten packing nuts on a leaky faucet? A. Duct tape, B. Plunger, C. Adjustable wrench, or D. A screwdriver. The correct answer is C. Adjustable wrench. These wrenches are perfect for gripping and tightening nuts without damaging them. Fun fact, a leaky faucet can waste gallons of water, so fixing it promptly saves money and resources. Next question. Which direction should you typically turn a screw to tighten it? A. Clockwise, B. Counterclockwise, C. Sideways, or D. Upside down. The answer is A. Clockwise. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Did you know that the screw was invented in the 3rd century BC by the Greek scholar Archimedes? Alright, let's see what you know. What's the first thing you should do before attempting any faucet repair? A. Turn off the water, B. Yell for help, C. Grab a snack, or D. Call a plumber. The correct answer is A. Turn off the water. This prevents a flood and makes the repair much easier. Remember, safety first. Turning off the water supply can save you from a plumbing disaster. Thanks for taking our DIY faucet fix quiz. How did you do? Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful DIY tips and tricks. Keep on fixing.